We're back to give you the legal edge. If you have a young teenager in your life, they might be hoping for a moped when they turn 15. Local attorney Bryan Waldman from the Sinus Stramus law firm has what you need to know about owning and riding mopeds in Michigan.
Mopeds are a cost-effective and convenient way for a lot of people to get around. But if someone is thinking of buying a moped, the first thing they need to do is make sure that what they are buying will actually be classified as a moped under Michigan law. To be a moped and not a motorcycle or something else, it has to have 2 or 3 wheels. It has to have an engine of 100 cc or less, smaller. It cannot require the operator to shift gears. And it has to have a top speed of no more than 30 miles per hour on flat ground or a flat surface. If it doesn't meet all those requirements, it's not going to be a moped. It'll likely be something else, probably a motorcycle, and different rules, different laws apply. So what's different? You don't need a motorcycle endorsement to operate a moped. You obviously do to operate a motorcycle. You don't need to have insurance on a moped as you would on a motorcycle. Now, other things are different. People think that we don't have helmet laws in Michigan for mopeds or motorcycles. We do for both. When it comes to mopeds, anyone under the age of 19, so 18 or less, has to wear an approved helmet every time they operate a moped. They also need to have it registered. People don't think that that's a requirement. It is, but it's very inexpensive. In Michigan, it's $15 at the Secretary of State's office. You get a decal or a tab, and that lasts for 3 years for $15. And then to operate the moped, you need to have a valid Michigan driver's license, or if you're 15 and don't have a driver's license, you can get a special moped license at the Secretary of State. You have to take and successfully pass a test. You have to have a parent or guardian with you there at the Secretary of State who will sign off that you have permission to be licensed to operate a moped, and then pay the moped license fee.